Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we got a couple of projects going on at the same time. We have 5/20/24 road glides that we're working on. So we're doing a status update on number 3. This is the one that's getting 10s in the bag, sealed and boarded. Tim Nagy's still working on the topper for the bag, so he's already got the rings out. They're the same rings I use on my CVO. Have the toppers finished yet, so we're using the 2023 and down toppers and cutting them and modifying them and getting them to work. It's gonna be a lot quicker, a lot easier once he finishes up the 2024s, but we've been doing 10s in bags since before there was any sort of rings. So back when we were doing double stacked 3/4 inch MDF rings and then topper on top, Tim just makes our life way easier, but just had to go back to the drawing board and do it the way we used to do it before Tim's amazing products were out. So his even reusing the ones for the older bike that don't fit right, that have to be modified, still way faster than building them from scratch. So these toppers came out perfect. The rings fit perfect. Now we can go ahead, drop the 10 in, drop the port in, reinforce the inside of the bag, carpet the topper. The bike, so I have 2 techs working on the bike. So first tech wired the bike, installed the amplifiers. Second tech cut the subwoofers, the saddlebags, and installed the mid-bass drivers and ran the wires. So we have a pretty streamlined process. I just wanted to show, we haven't really shown what goes into modifying these 2024s to get 2 amplifiers to fit in the fairing. So we had to cut the radio bracket, we had to shave the top of the headlight, then since this one has the smaller non-CVO amplifier, it's got the 200 watt one, it's a little bit thinner, so it fits in easier and it's less fighting to get it to go back together. But we have the radio bracket modified and reinstalled back on the bike. All the wiring's done. Tomorrow we just have to put it back together and tune it. Check out the process. So here's an update on the 2024. This is the one getting the 10s in the bags, sealed and ported. Had to modify factory radio bracket. Tomorrow we'll modify the headlight. All the wiring's done. 0 gauge from the battery. Quick disconnects for the saddlebags. Bags are done.